1. Birds can actually fly backwards. Well, some of them. The hummingbird is able to fly backwards. 2. Birds all lay eggs, and the smallest bird egg in the world is the one of the hummingbird. 3. Birds are usually able to fly, but it has been tested that generally a bird needs to weigh below 15 kilograms for efficient flying. 4. The royal albatross eggs can take anywhere up to 79 days to start hatching. 5. Birds have bones just like humans, but they are all hollow, which gives them the ability to fly.